In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Excel cells expand to fit text automatically in Google Sheets. If you've ever had text cut off or a column that's too narrow to show what's inside, this quick method will tidy everything up in seconds. We'll use Google Sheets' built-in fit to data options so your columns resize to perfectly match the content they already contain. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. You can use any sheet for this, just make sure you're looking at the tab where your data lives. The idea is to select the columns you want to resize and then tell Sheets to automatically adjust their widths based on what's inside. Next, select the columns you want to fix. Click the header for column A, then drag across to column F so all the headers from A through F are highlighted. You'll know it worked if the column letters are shaded and the entire range is selected. Selecting just what you need keeps other columns exactly as they are. With A through F highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selected column headers to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Resize Columns A, F. This opens a small dialog that gives you two choices, a specific pixel width or a smart option that calculates the best width for you. In the Resize dialog, choose Fit to Data. This tells Google Sheets to scan the contents of every cell in your selected columns and set each column's width just wide enough to show the longest entry without clipping. It's a great one-click way to clean up a messy sheet, especially after importing data. Now click OK to apply the changes. You should immediately see your columns snap to the new widths. Long entries that were previously hidden behind those little spillover indicators will now be fully visible, and shorter columns won't take up unnecessary space. Click the highlighted selection again to confirm everything looks right and continue working in your sheet. You can repeat this same process anytime you add new data or bring in a fresh data set. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Fit to data adjusts based on what's currently in your sheet, so if you later add much longer text, you may want to run these steps again to refresh the widths. If your content is more readable when it wraps onto multiple lines, consider using text wrapping instead, and then resizing rows as needed. And if you only want to change a single column, just select that one column header and follow the same steps. That's it. Your columns now expand to fit the text cleanly and automatically.